The Grandfather Clock. This is a duet on page 15 of Tunes for 10 Fingers. So I'm going to play the pupils part first of all, counting again in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's so play along with that one and get used to that 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to play the accompaniment. So then I'll play it through twice. So the first time have a listen, and the second time see if you can play along with it. So again, remembering to count 4 beats in a bar. So here we go. I count two bars in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time, let's you play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you get on? I hope you had a bit of fun with that one. So you can just keep trying to play along, keeping in time with my music, with my part. When you're having a look in the book, actually, interestingly, you'll see some dots at the bottom of the note or at the top of the note. So these means they're hot notes. We have to play them a little bit jumpy. So we want them to be what we call detached. We don't want them joined up to the other. But you have to keep yours quite flowy and trying to join them together, coming off one note, but playing, sorry, let me say that again. So play one note and then play the second note as you lift, release your finger from the previous note.